Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called Amegat. This is the Amegat 3-in-1 fast wireless charging station for Apple devices. Yes, you heard me correctly, fast wireless charging, and that's very important. This is a fully MagSafe compatible fast wireless charger for your iPhone. That's for iPhones that do support fast wireless charging. The 15-watt fast wireless charging, you will get that from this. This is also a fast Apple Watch certified wireless charger. And again, that's for some of the recent watches from Apple that support fast wireless charging. This is a fast wireless charger, and you will get that with this device. And then down here on the base, you have your third part of this, and this is a just standard Qi wireless charging pad that'll charge your AirPods or any earbuds that support wireless charging. So a 3-in-1. Really excellent product. Looks really good. I mean, look at that. It's just, I love the design of it. It's very sleek, very modern. It's got that nice dark sort of space grayish tone to it. Very unique design, and they didn't leave anything out. So like, I love that the back of this has that cool kind of black pattern on it. The back of this has a nice little pattern. It's like everything about it looks great, but they also made it feature rich. This swivels, so you can see you can swivel it to angle it that way, sort of straight on, or you can angle it slightly up or angle it more up. So you can change it to set it to the angle you need. If it's on your, if you're using it at your desk at work and your desktop's a little lower and you want to angle your phone up at you, you can. So great to be able to also use for FaceTiming or Zooming, Facebook Messenger video chats, those sort of things, if you want it to be on the charger while you're doing that. They do include in the box a 30-watt PD charger as well as a charging cable. That's very important because in order to get that fast wireless charging on both the phone and watch and still be able to charge earbuds or AirPods at the same time, you've got to have the right amount of power. So they included a 30-watt PD charger in the box to power this whole thing. The USB-C port is on the back to plug it into. And then on the front, you have just a really tiny LED indicator. I love that. It's there, but it's very tiny, so it doesn't put off a lot of light, won't disturb you at night or anything if you're using this by your bed, because this looks great anywhere. Great to use by your bed on your nightstand, or to use on your desk at work or at home on your computer desk. Really, it's made in such a way that it doesn't take up a lot of space, but again, it will charge anything. Because it is fully MagSafe compatible, you can put your phone in both vertical or horizontal mode. It'll stay on no matter what. Then you can adjust the angle to be the angle that you want. You've got your fast wireless charging for modern Apple watches that support that. Any other watches, it'll just charge at the regular speed. You've got your pad down here that you can set your earbuds or AirPods on so that you can be charging all of your devices at the optimal speed all at the same time, which is really excellent. Just so you know, they do have rubber pads on the base here as well, which means wherever you're setting this, it's not going to slide around, it's going to stay put. Really beautiful design, but also high functionality with the fast wireless charging for iPhones that support it, the fast wireless charging for Apple Watches that support it, and full around wireless charging for all of your devices. Excellent product by Amegat. If you are looking for a 3-in-1 wireless charging station and you are an Apple person with iPhone, Apple Watch, and either AirPods or other wireless earbuds, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions about it, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.